Now we're finding area of sectors. The main thing we need to remember is the area formula for a circle, which is pi r squared. All we're going to do is multiply pi r squared in each problem by the proportion or the fraction of my circle. So in this problem, I have a radius of 20. So I'm going to do pi, my radius is 20. And I'm going to multiply by the fraction of my circle I care about. I care about 150 degrees out of a total of 360 degrees. And I just have a stinking hot mess that I can type in my calculator. I literally just type in as I've written it. And I get my answer is 523.6. The end, amen. You're done. Next sector, same exact idea. Pi r squared. Pi, what's my radius? 9. What section of my circle do I care about? 100 out of 360. And then I'm going to, once again, type in that hot mess into my calculator. And I get 70.7. Now, maybe tomorrow I might throw in a diameter. If I give you the diameter, what do you need to find? The radius, because my formula does not have the diameter, it has the radius. But this last one, I'm not trying to trick you. It's just going to be pi. Your radius is 2, so 2 squared, times the fraction of the circle I care about, which is 47 out of 360. Type that baby in. And I got 1.64. Now that one seems smaller than the other ones, right? But look, this radius is 2 as opposed to my radii, I guess, of 9 and 20. So it makes sense that that number is really small. It doesn't mean I did something wrong. Now look at this last question. We did not like this last question. We did a problem very similar to this today. I have a section of my circle, but I don't want the entire piece of the big pie. I want some part that's left. So I'm going to need to find my big piece of pie and subtract my small piece of pie to get the shaded region that is left. So reading my problem, it says, in the diagram, the larger of the two concentric circles has a radius of 5. So stop. How can I find my area of my big piece of pie? I would do pi, my big radius is 5 squared, and my sector, the part of my circle I care about, is 40 out of 360. Setting it up for my small one. The smaller circle has a radius of 2. Pi, what's my small radius? 2. What section do I care about? 40 out of a total of 360. Now, it said, what is the area of the shaded region in terms of pi? I'm not sure really any of us put our answer in terms of pi, so I'm just going to do the decimal approximation like most of us did. That gives me that my big piece is 8.73, and my small piece is 1.4 with rounding. So that would give me an area of the shaded region, 8.73 minus 1.4 equals 7.3.